Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: can you listen to music with one earphone? And you can put one earbud to the charging case, or remove only one from the case, then close the case and use the second one. To prove it for you, we can go to the Bluetooth in the settings, and as you can see, I still have connection with these earbuds, but I use only one. Now, you cannot pair your left earbud with one device and your right earbud with the second device. You need to pair both of your earbuds with one device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!